Imagine the world in 4.2 years, challenging everything we think that bizarre signals have understood. The telescope James Webb announced a mystery discovery of Proxima B, a planet covered with mystery, similar to the Earth and the Earth. Can this signal be a hint of other people's skills? Or can it be a depressed message of the universe itself? Proxima B, one of the most promising prospects for alien life, represents extreme potential and serious obstacles. What hidden truths are ready to hide this mysterious planet? And we are ready to resist the reality outside the stars. Proxima B Centauri, located in just 4.2 years on Earth, is a potential planet that attracts both astronomy and dreamers. He rotates stars of red dwarf Proxima Centauri sitting in the area of a residential area where liquid water can exist. This creates one of the most promising alien planets in life, and melee with the Earth improves its charm. Similarity between Earth and Earth is excellent. This is almost the same size and has many rocks, so some scientists are forced to consider it as potential twins. However, despite this similarity, Proxima B is far from the typical analog of the Earth. Located on a much sharper and mysterious system, it rotates the red star of the dwarf. Much smaller and cooler than our sun, passes through weak red light. Nevertheless, despite its size, the star has a great influence on the Earth. The importance of Proxima is not denied. As an alien planet closest to Earth, it is the best opportunity to study a world where life can be placed outside our solar system. The Proxima B location as a neighboring neighbor is an ideal candidate for future research through high-end telescopes or potentially interstellar missions. Proxima B's proximity is tempting, but this is what we found. Recently, scientists observed the mysterious light emission from B Proxima. Can they be evidence of natural phenomena such as volcanic activities or heroes due to interaction between the Earth's magnetic field and the star radiation? Or can this discharge suggest the existence of high-end alien technology, as some containers suggested? Proxima B may be in his residential area, but the condition is far from hospitality. One of the most decisive features is the tidal lock. Unlike Earth, which rotates to divide the sun through the surface, Proxima B has one hemisphere continuously facing the star and the other is submerged in the eternal darkness. On the one hand, the temperature leads to a sharp separation, hitting with tireless heat. On the other hand, frozen from eternal shadows. Bright and dark areas known as the terminator zone can provide a narrow stable temperature that can be an important requirement for liquid water. But in this twilight of this twilight, there is an obstacle to maintaining life. The extreme wind controlled in preparation for heat can make this area much more unstable than originally believed. In addition to the phone, Proxima B has a closeness to his star, red dwarfs Proxima Centauri's host. Sadly, these stars are famous for their violent bursts of solar energy, which releases intensive radiation to remove the Earth's atmosphere. Proxima Centauri regularly exudes these occurrences of continuously performing Proxima B. Dr. Sarah Rimmer, an astronomer at Oxford University, explains, such onset can destroy the atmosphere and create a very sharp surface condition. The combination of tide blocking and intensive radiation creates a depressed view of the possibility of surface life. Nevertheless, some scientists suggest that if there is a strong magnetic field in Proxima B, the Earth can protect the Earth from these harmful effects as with the magnetic field of the Earth. However, the creation of such magnetic fields requires a core of molten iron and plenty of planetary rotation, which is not known in Proxima B. Despite these overwhelming problems, Proxima B remains a goal for scientists. His proximity and unique conditions make us broaden our understanding of the existence and adaptation of life. Can life flower potential on the surface of Proxima B protected from harmful radiation? Can the planet support the lifetime of microorganisms in a relatively stable condition? Dr. Avi Loyb, a physicist at Harvard University, suggests life on Earth was able to adapt to extreme conditions, from deep shear ventilation holes to dry deserts. It is impossible to think that life elsewhere can adapt in a similar way. Proxima's environment also raises deeper philosophical questions about how we determine the possibility of residence. On the planet, life showed amazing adaptability when the organism flourished from everything from heat ventilation holes to intensive radiation areas. If life exists in Proxima B, it can be very different from what we know, and it is suitable for the unique environment we can start. Since we continue to study Proxima B, this plays a role in reminding us of the extensive functions and problems that arise in the universe. Tidal blocking, radiation, and potential underground shelter interactions make us think of our plain definition of residence. Can Proxima B be a life of a thriving life under the conditions we're extremely considered? Or is it a barren world that is constantly beaten by her star's power? When the universe deepened, Proxima B provided scientists a revelation of scratching the head. In the dark side of the Earth, an area filled with constant shadows of abnormal light release was found. This signal does not correspond to known natural phenomena, so we ask more questions than to answer this mysterious alien planet. At first glance, these discharges may look normal. Can they be the result of volcanic activity or air distortion? Perhaps they can be caused by the interaction between Proxima B magnetic field and star-host star intensive radiation. But what if they are much more unusual? Do some scientists dare to see if these signals can be evidence of high-end alien technology? The host of the Proxima B, Proxima Centauri, is famous for rupture of violent solar rays and high-energy radiation. Such events interact with the potential magnetic field of the Earth to create auroras or other light phenomena. Nevertheless, rules and clear discharge patterns are completely consistent with this explanation. Instead, they provide more structural and intentional things that challenge the boundaries of natural explanation. The discovery of Proxima B revived the desire of mankind to answer one of the deepest questions. Are we alone in space? His harassment mixture, similar to the Earth and alien conditions, is created to find alien life. Using the same tools as the James Webb Space Telescope, the astronomer is closer to seeing the secrets of this mysterious world. Each new observation is closer to us about understanding what wastelands burning at radiation and extreme temperatures. Or can I hide the prosperous ecosystem in the dark twilight? Is the mysterious signal in the dark? Proxima B is a scientific miracle and a mysterious puzzle. The proximity to his Earth makes it an interesting goal, but the problem it indicates reminds us of the tremendous difficulties of the universe. When we instruct this attractive neighbors, we are at the crossroads of science and imagination, and we are ready to explore the world where we can change everything we understand. Dr. Jill Tarter, a pioneer looking for alien intelligence, said, "If you meet a signal that doesn't fit the framework of a natural case, you should consider all the possibilities, including technology." Her statement reflects the growing conspiracy around Proxima. The idea of alien technology may seem like a science fiction novel, but it is based on strict scientific studies. If these signals come from high-end civilizations, this would be the most innovative discovery in human history. He will prove that intellectual life can be developed in a very different condition than Earth, not alone in space. However, if these emissions turn out naturally, you can still provide conversion information. They can identify unique atmospheric or geological courses that are not known before science to expand our understanding of alien planets and the potential of life. The scientific community is still careful but optimistic. To further study these signals, the astronomer uses the upcoming tools such as the Space Telescope of the James Webb and the spectroscopy in Very Large Telescope. Such tools can help determine whether the signal is natural or artificial. If they are artificial, they can indicate the existence of a high-end alien civilization who attempts to communicate. Harvard's astrophysicist Dr. Avi Loeb pointed out that the detection of alien technology will not only confirm that we are alone, but also provide plans for how civilization can withstand in a vast space. Proxima B became a center for alien intelligence. The discovery of Proxima B has a deep consequences of understanding the humanity and its location in the universe. Finding life outside the Earth is one of the most important scientific efforts of our time, and the potential of Proxima B's hard life becomes the center of this search. Nevertheless, the dog raises much more questions than the answer. Why is this mysterious signal? What can it mean to find future human beings for alien intelligence? What does this mean in our own existence if it is a reasonable life in Proxima B? We continue to study Proxima B, so we can be just one of the greatest discoveries in human history. Regardless of whether we disclose evidence of aliens' lives, Proxima B will remain unknown, that the universe is full of mystery waiting for research. Proxima B is a scientific miracle and a mysterious puzzle. The proximity to his Earth makes it an interesting goal, but the problem it indicates reminds us of the tremendous difficulties of the universe. When we instruct this attractive neighbors, we are at the crossroads of science and imagination, and we are ready to explore the world where we can change everything we understand.